In today's economy, energy providers need to transform their operations and look for every opportunity to innovate and reduce costs. Data Gumbo offers the industry a new way to automate commercial transactions that provides accuracy, transparency, and efficiency. A leading oil and gas company partnered with Data Gumbo to conduct an exciting pilot to demonstrate meaningful efficiencies for both field and accounting operations as it relates to chemical deliveries. The company's production operations team leveraged control system sensor data from pad locations to verify production chemical deliveries from its vendors. This enabled field operations to analyze chemical consumption and expenses in real time, as well as make insightful and timely changes to improve their program. Each field ticket received from vendors took on average 2 hours of processing. With an estimated 5,000 tickets each year from the chemical delivery company, employees spend approximately 10,000 hours coding and reviewing these tickets annually. This estimate also assumes there are no disputes or coding errors. The company's ticketing data showed about 10% of the invoices are delayed or disputed. Hours spent on disputed invoices is double that of undisputed invoices, which estimates 11,000 hours per year spent on coding and reconciling chemical delivery invoices from this vendor alone. The company realized if they could give employees back those hours to repurpose toward more strategic and meaningful work, the savings could translate to a significant impact on their bottom line. The company tracked different products and services, including a variety of chemicals and water deliveries, by capturing sensor readings from equipment already present on their wells. They also used GPS and timestamp data from the chemical delivery company to verify deliveries made to wells with no sensor technology. The company fed these two data streams to GumboNet so they could be consumed and filtered through a chemical delivery smart contract to automatically execute the terms of our existing natural language contract with the chemical delivery company and apply the current price book. GumboNet analyzed data points such as delivery date, location, product, and volume. If the delivery that the chemical delivery company said was made was supported by a matching volume event in the company's SCADA system, the charge block was flagged as ready to be invoiced. If a match could not be made, or the volume of the chemical delivery ticket differed from a volume event by a tolerance of plus or minus 10%, the charge block was automatically flagged for dispute. The company's goal was to successfully automate 90% of the chemical delivery tickets on GumboNet, which were typically manually processed. Here's what they found. From April 16th to May 17th, the company recorded a total of 134 chemical deliveries. Of those, 35 did not match a volume event in their system. These flagged items alerted them to 27 data or logic issues that they were able to address during the pilot, most related to sensor blips where signals were interrupted. The key highlight found was 7 tickets that were transaction mismatches that would have been disputed invoices due to the fact that the chemical delivery company invoiced on the wrong date. These disputed charges were easily managed inside the GumboNet UI, where the company and its vendors were able to resolve the items jointly within a day. The company's traditional accounting process required time-consuming manual verification of services and approvals which occurred post-invoicing. With GumboNet, they experienced a transformational shift in which the verification of services occurred on the blockchain prior to invoicing. Additionally, disputed transactions were also resolved prior to invoicing. For accounting operations, only transactions validated by the company and its vendors' systems turn into charges, which were already approved for payment. The pilot proved 100% match on invoices, which could then be integrated directly with their ERP system. Full automation on submission and approvals of tickets based on immutable blocks on the blockchain. Accelerated ability for dispute resolution on the same day of the field delivery events prior to invoicing. An overall reduction of disputed tickets to 6.9%, from a current average of 10%, successfully realizing the ability to shrink a service-to-submission process of around 60 days to 1 to 2 days, a decrease in manual invoice touches from 5,500 to just 380. GumboNet is built on blockchain technology, which provides the company with a distributed ledger shared in real time with its vendors that captures data points and does not allow them to be changed. Any changes needed in the dispute resolution process are appended to the original blocks, allowing them to audit the entire transaction if needed. There are many different applications for GumboNet. There is opportunity to realize these same efficiencies with multiple contracts, such as water haulage, piped water, fuel delivery and consumption, integrated drilling services, integrated completions services. When all of the verified transactional data points are captured through smart contracts on a distributed ledger, it becomes easy to also consolidate that data for use in ESG reporting. GumboNet ESG provides reporting in accordance with multiple standards, including Sustainability Accounting Standards Board, or SASB, and Global Reporting Initiative, GRI, leading standards organizations that companies use to report sustainability. By leveraging this technology, we can standardize and automate our reporting in areas such as air quality, gas emissions, valuation and expenditures, production, and other relevant ESG metrics. Contact Data Gumbo today for more information on how we can help you find ways to innovate and realize these same efficiencies for your business.